Want to become unstoppable? Replace these 4 habits. Swap overthinking for action. Marcus Aurelius said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Stop creating fake scenarios and start taking action to discover new possibilities. Replace blame with responsibility. Epictetus taught, "No one is ever unhappy because of someone else." Take ownership of your actions and consequences to boost self-awareness, confidence, and self-esteem. Trade TV for exercise and books. Seneca reminds us, as long as you live, keep learning how to live. Prioritize physical and mental growth and watch your life transform. Exchange fake friends for mentors. Surround yourself with individuals who inspire and guide you towards personal growth rather than those who drag you down. Embrace these habit swaps, and you'll unlock your full potential, becoming truly unstoppable in life.